Hey, today I'm going to show you how to make a project reference in Eclipse that will allow you to use the code from one project in another project. Let's get started. Okay, let's suppose that you have two projects in Eclipse already created, Project A and Project B, and you would like to use a code from Project A inside Project B. So in this case, you would like to use a class A inside class B. If we try to use this class without setting project reference, we will get an error. So let me show you. If we create class A, you will see that we get error that class A cannot be resolved to a type. So to resolve this, go to Project B and right click it, and then select Properties, and then go to Java Build Path, and then select Projects tab, and then select Class Path, and then click Add, and then select Project A, click OK, and then click Apply and Close. You will see that error is gone, and you can now normally use class A inside Project B. Okay, now let's suppose that we create a new Project C and then make a reference to Project B. Do you think that we will also have access to code in Project A? Let's try this out. First, let's create a new Project C. And now let's make a reference to Project B, the same as we did before. So right click on Project C, Properties, Projects, Class Path, Add, and then select only Project B, because this project already contains reference to Project A. And then click OK and Apply and Close. Now let's try to use Class A and B in Class C. So let's type main, and then type Class A, Object A, Class B, Object B. And you will see that only Class B is resolved, but Class A isn't. Why is that? That's because Project B does not export Project A. And to resolve this, you need to go to Project B, right-click it, and then select Properties, and go to Java Build Path, and then click on Order and Export tab, and then select Project A, and then click Apply and Close. And you will see that now you have access to both classes. And that's it. You now know how to make project references in Eclipse. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video valuable, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.